Hi there, this is Penelope. This is a short video in a series of short videos going over basic arithmetic skills. What we're looking at here is multiplication and division of integers. And remember from an earlier video that multiplying two integers gives us a product and dividing gives us a quotient. Now, what becomes slightly more complicated is if we have signs involved. So if we have two positive or two negative numbers, that gives us a positive number. For example, 12 times 2 is 24, and negative 12 times negative 2 gives us 24. So a positive times a positive gives us a positive, and a negative times a negative gives us a positive. 12 divided by 2 is 6, so a positive divided by a positive is a positive, and a negative divided by a negative is also a positive. But if we're multiplying or dividing a positive by a negative, or vice versa, then we get a negative. So if we say 12 times negative 2, that's negative 24. Or if we have negative 12 divided by 2, that's negative 6. 8 divided by negative 4 will give us negative 2. And if we go back the other way, negative 2 times negative 4 will give us 8. And we can check the other ones as well. It doesn't matter how you remember what sign your answer is. It doesn't matter. If the signs are different, the answer is negative. If the signs are the same, the answer is positive. So if you are multiplying positive by positive, then the answer is positive. If you're multiplying or dividing negative by negative, the answer is positive, and the other answers are negative. So if the signs are the same, you're going to get a positive answer. If the signs are different, you're going to get a negative answer. So let's just have a look at a few examples here. Negative 2 times negative 3, that's a negative times a negative, so that's going to be positive. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. 4 divided by negative 2, it's a positive divided by negative, it will be negative 2. The next example is a negative divided by a negative, so the signs are the same, so the answer will be positive, and the answer will be 2. Now, watch these ones. Negative 2 squared means negative 2 times negative 2, which is 4. And negative 2 cubed is negative 8. Now, just make sure on your calculator you mean this, or, so whether you mean that or whether you mean that, because this one will do the squaring first, and the answer would be 4 made negative, and this one would be negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 4. Just make sure you tell your calculator exactly what you want it to do.